Hello. Uh, I just wanted to talk about a recent a buy which I bought from using Midday app. So the product I bought was shoe cleaning bag, which I saw in a YouTube video by a famous YouTube tech YouTuber called Arun Maini, and he was using that shoe cleaning bag, and he was at the end he had to say nice things about the bag. So I just purchased a bag, and yeah, it's a large shoe bag for each shoes from up here, and seems like I'm not sure. I used it yesterday, and I was really excited to see the results, and I have to say I'm not that impressed. Maybe we have to this product works if your shoes are not that dirty. Maybe my shoes were very dirty that it might need another wash or so just wanted to let the product maker know it was okay. I mean, the idea is really great, because whenever I put my shoes, I never thought of putting shoes in the washing machine, because it can go anywhere in the washing machine, and you don't know what you are going to get when you put shoes in the washing machine. And I feel if you put the shoes in this shoe cleaning bag, you will feel safer inside in your mind, and also it does some of the work, and later you need to, I think, for some dirt, I think you have to manually wipe it off. So just wanted to give a review on this product. Thank you.